name said Jane. And today we've got day number 11.
Let's see what's in day number 11 of our Advent kit. Pearl's going to open that one up for me. Let's see what's inside.
This time I'm not going to rip the top.
Okay. Okay, so this is a magazine which has got lots of ideas of how to use that gorgeous juniper and sage collection that you got in day one, full of absolutely beautiful ideas to get you crafting. So everybody who's got the kit can use this little magazine for some inspo. We'll be back tomorrow. Bye.